On Tuesday, December 24, 2024, members of Uzebu All Football Club gathered for one special event novelty football match wey dem play for Ogbonge Primary School, Uzebu for Benin City to mark their end-of-year party. The match wey Atori President Oluwate Tamisi Julius Tandagidigba come here and say Honourable Valentine Asue wey be the CEO of DVD Oil show face to witness the game. The match starts with prayers as the All-Stars dem gather to commit the event to God. After that, Honourable Valentine Asue and other people come welcome everybody as Honourable Valentine Asue do the first kick for the match for exactly 28 minutes past 10 for morning. The match lasts for 90 minutes and a fierce but fair competition between two teams. Team A wey wear white jersey play against Team B wey wear yellow jersey, and the match come end with Team B winning the game 2-1. Dem scored the first goal for 10:33 a.m. and second goal for 10:51 a.m. Team A fight back and score one goal for 11:20 a.m. as the first half come to an end. But for the end of the game, Team B still hold the victory with 2-1.
Close. Good one.
Comrade Omoriyi Yobusa Michael, one of the patrons of the club, George Osazuwa, wey be the secretary of the club, and Victor Osasu, the referee, come chook mouth on top the match and say them enjoyed the game wella.
My name's Comrade Omoriyi Yobusa Michael. I be the APC youth leader for Watiri and a patron for Uzebu All Football Club International Incorporated. The novelty match now one good thing when they be say we as youth, irrespective of our age and our ranking for society, now what we supposed to do all the time. And this Uzebu All Stars, they train every Saturday for Ogbonge Primary School, and they get end of month match. Likewise, the end of year football match we will experience today, and in avenue for the youth for Watiri and beyond in diaspora and all to meet together, to familiarize together, to know themselves, and annually now we make this genuine move to make sure. Say if you look around now, different youths from different all walks of life they here to make sure say them grace this August occasion for December where we did so it born fatness from us. It make us come together as youths. It make us know ourselves more and more. Now make Uzebu All Stars come up with this program of end of year football team. If you watch her now, everybody they happy for this football competition and the football team. I want to use this medium to thank the executive of Uzebu All Stars and all members, especially the chairman and the president of this Uzebu All Stars Football Club. I be one person who is proud of this football club. Anywhere I go, I don't really proud of to associate myself with Uzebu All Stars Football Club. I want to appreciate the leadership of our brother, Comrade Omozusi Osarere. Now, man, we dey listen. Now, man, we be say get coordinated spirit to take carry this Uzebu All Stars along. I dey jealous of him because say what you know fit do when you see people they do you go appreciate the leadership style because they carry everybody along. You not get what we be members and patrons not they aware of today. We are aware of the activities and all. So I want to appreciate them and I want to pray say next year go better, it go sharp past this one as it be. So thank you very much for coming.
Okay, my name now George Osazuwa. I'm privileged to be the secretary of this great football club, the general secretary at large. I'm very happy today because on our side, Team B, now we win. Last year we suffered defeat, but we told them that we are coming with full force this year. Thank God for the victory. Baba God all give us the victory today. I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy.
Victor Sasu Ewama. Yes, it was a novelty match. Now we play today. What will be the match we play today? The match we play today now. Match will be say today now be our end of year. That's why you see everybody. That's why you see the whole environment will be like this. So we thank God from January to this day. Officially today now be our last match, our last training, our last match of the day for the year. So next year we'll come back again. The match go well. Team B took the day as the center referee of the day. The game was peaceful, it was fair. There was no bias. So as the center referee, I've always been fair to both sides. So Team B took the day. They took their chances and they win today's game. So thank God for everything. Team A they tried their judge that they not take their chances.
The end of the year party for Uzebu All Stars later turned to big events in the evening as they get plenty performances from local artists will bring life to the celebration and enough food and drinks to enjoy. Fred Newton will be chairman of Edo State Football Association come praise Uzebu All Stars Football Club and come give special shout out to Omozusi Osareren, the president of the club, for the good work with them they do. The president of the club, Omozusi Osareren, called to salute to everybody wey show face and tanda gidigba for the event and say the event not be just about football but also about the unity and spirit wey Uzebu people get. Modi Agaowa, one of the patrons and other club members, come also talk say,
it's a privilege say I still come on this Uzebu and my brothers every year. This is not the first time. Every year they gather us together like this to celebrate the end of the year. And in the morning they play football. And a lot of people were around to witness the game. And this evening now, they say make everybody come out, both celebrate as one. For what God do for us, God keep us alive. And some of them, last year, some doesn't travel out of the country. There's progress here in Uzebu, and that's the reason why today, me I don't work out for nights. But because this one, you get my neck, I must come. That's why I come this evening, because I celebrate my brothers. And it's a good thing. And sometimes they always set the pace for others to follow. Uzebu All Stars, anything they do for here, people they copy us. They copy people say, okay, go learn from Uzebu All Stars. So I want to say big kudos to all the patrons and matrons, especially the man where gets this place, where they gather everybody together, the president of Uzebu All Stars. I want to say congratulations to him. This young man has done well. He's a good brother, and we believe in him. For me, as God will keep her alive, he will continue to be the chairman of Uzebu All Stars till God will elevate and go in that position. So once again, I'm happy I'm here. I was so grateful that football they grow for Edo State since I took over as the chairman, and I'm so grateful to God.
I want to thank each and everyone who took out their time to celebrate with us. And I appreciate all various clubs, Edo All Stars, All Stars, Edo Professional, Tom Line. Thank you for gracing our occasion. Thank you, landlord and landladies of All Winner Uzebu. I appreciate. And I thank God for the life of my team members. Thank God we did not lose anybody this year. I so much appreciate. It's a season of celebration, so we need to enjoy. If you are not here, you're missing something. Love you. See you next year, 2025 December. I love you all.
make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.